Starting a business is not an easy task. It takes a lot of hard work and dedication to make it a success. But with the right approach and the right mindset, you can set yourself up for success. At Investment, we understand the challenges of starting a business, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Our goal is to provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to take your business to the next level. In this video, we'll go over the key steps you need to take to make your business a success. We'll cover everything from market research to financial planning and everything in between. We'll show you how to conduct thorough market research, how to develop a detailed business plan, how to build strong relationships with customers, partners, and suppliers, and how to monitor and analyze key performance indicators. We'll also discuss the importance of innovation, financial planning and budgeting, and cash flow management. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your business to the next level, this video will provide you with valuable insights and strategies to help you achieve your goals. So, stay tuned and let's get started on the path to success. Together, we'll make sure your business is set up for success. The first step to success is conducting thorough market research. This will help you understand your target market and identify opportunities to differentiate your business. Look at your competition, find out what they're doing well and what they're not. Understand your customers' needs and preferences, and use this information to create a value proposition that sets you apart. This will be your unique selling point, and it will help you to attract and retain customers. Once you have a clear understanding of your market and a compelling value proposition, it's time to develop a detailed business plan. This should include strategies and tactics to achieve your financial and operational goals. It's important to have a clear and measurable plan in place so you can track your progress and make adjustments as needed. Regularly review your business plan and make sure it is aligned with your company's goals and objectives. Building strong and positive relationships with customers, partners, and suppliers is also crucial for success. These relationships can provide valuable insights, feedback, and support that can help your business grow. Building trust and communication with your partners and suppliers can help to secure better deals and long-term collaborations. It's essential to provide excellent customer service and to listen to customer feedback to improve your products and services. Continuous monitoring and analysis of key performance indicators, KPIs, is also essential. This will help you understand how your business is performing and identify areas that need improvement. Use this information to make informed decisions and take action to improve your performance. Regularly monitoring your business's performance will help you identify trends and make timely adjustments to stay on track. Utilize data and analytics tools to monitor key metrics such as revenue, customer acquisition, sales, and customer retention. Innovation is also key to success. Keep an open mind to new ideas and ways of doing things, and be willing to take calculated risks. Constantly strive to improve your products and services and stay ahead of the competition. Innovation can help you to attract new customers, increase revenue, and improve your overall competitiveness in the market. Encourage your team to come up with new ideas and test them out. Proper financial planning, budgeting, and cash flow management are also important for a business to succeed. Make sure you have a clear understanding of your financial situation and that you have sufficient resources to sustain your business. Be proactive in managing your finances. Don't wait for a crisis to happen. Have a plan in place for any financial contingencies. Have a clear understanding of your financial statements and metrics, such as profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow. Starting a business is not easy, but with the right approach and a willingness to continuously learn, adapt, and evolve, you can set yourself up for success. Building a successful business takes time, effort, and dedication, but the rewards of being your own boss and creating something meaningful can be truly fulfilling. Remember, success is not a one-time event, it's a journey. Be prepared to adapt to changes in the market, economy, and your industry. Stay informed of the latest trends and technologies and be ready to pivot if necessary. And above all, be persistent. Don't give up on your goals and dreams. Keep moving forward and learning from your mistakes. At Investment, we are committed to helping you achieve your business goals. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and strategies to help you succeed. We encourage you to continue learning and growing, and we wish you all the best on your journey to success. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more valuable content and tips to help you take your business to the next level. Remember, with the right mindset, strategies, and a willingness to work hard, you can make your business a success. Take the first step towards your business success today.